Yeah, I'm gonna give you a regular demo on how we can control a media on a any device really, but like right now it's gonna be on my laptop. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna be sharing my screen in a sec so you can see, and then I'm gonna show you how I can control my Spotify. Can you share? Can you can see my screen, correct?
Yes, I can see it now.
All right, awesome. I'm gonna be increasing the volume a little bit. Okay, so you can see, you should see that I'm not using my hands right now. Sorry, let me. I can see. Well, I cannot see myself, so I will. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm not using my hands right now. I'm gonna be playing the music just by doing a double, like a simple facial control. Yeah, all right. So I can play the music as you can see. If I glance to the right, I can change the song. If I glance to the left, I can come back. If I, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, really. I can pause again. So these are like just the basic controls we've been building. This is just showing you how simple it is to use, how invisible it is as well. If you look at me, you don't really perceive them. Uh, like we have plenty of applications. Like really, I was playing Temple Run earlier. But really, the idea is to give you the opportunity once you have our product to customize this to whatever your needs are. Media being the first use case, but really, if you want to use it to open ChatGPT with a glance, that's also something we're going to be able to provide you with. So yeah, that's just a very simple demonstration of how our technology works, how simple it is to use, how quickly you can learn the gestures as well.